The Celts in Corrux crossed to Anglesey. Pre-Christians, early Christians, Irish Celts. What were they like who dug these holes for huts, roofed them with boughs to keep the winter out? What were they like who lived in such a place? The ancient Romans, too, who settled here at Rockbourne on the Downs before the Saxons called them Hampshire, Dorset, Wilts. Patterned floors, remains of hypocausts, luxurious life where never luxury was seen again. Why did the Normans choose an Iron Age fort to build the castle of Old Sarum here? Why did the clerics, outlined in the turf, you see their old cathedral over there, why did they go away? Was it a water shortage or a feud that drove them down to build in Salisbury? We do not know. But when across the waves, from Ireland and the west, the shores of Wales rise mountainous, along those mountains' feet we see the castles of an English king, Edward I. Oh, then the answer's clear. Attack, defence, after defence, attack. Conquer, subdue, and dominate the Welsh, with arrow, shot, and battering ram and lead. Harlech and Conway and Carnarvon, 3 grey bastions guard the northern coast of Wales.